you guys.
Yeah, you're 4. Papa said she's 6.
For example, you have to.
Excuse me.
Egg. Sorry. B.
Tania.
Hey. Stop it. Stay.
Listen up.
Listen.
If you don't listen, you go back behind everyone else.
Oh, go in line. Cuenta line. Tanya, cuenta line. Tanya,
You go
cuenta
back.
line.
They already Tisha,
She don't know
you
how
go
to
hit that. You know how.
Judith.
She cannot reach.
She can. Don't make noise or else she will make
Okay.
here all the stick.
You gotta take her over there first.
Yes, yes, I know. Just shut up.
Shut up.
Wait, don't. Oh, puliwo.
Okay, hit it. Hit it, Tisha. Woo, one more.
Two. 1, 4, 3. 4. 5. Okay. Finish. Okay, you go back to line.
Hello.
Go back line. Line.
Whose number?
You hit it hard, huh? So we can get candy.
Oh, wait. I go call you back. I go look for it.
Hit it hard so we get candy, huh? Okay?
Wait.
What's your name?
Kelani.
Kelani. Here comes Miss Kelani. The stick. Wait,
Tanya,
don't
wait in line.
hit it. 5 times, huh? We count 5, huh? 1. Okay, go. 1. Go hit it.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Almost. Okay, you can still go. Take turn. Okay, go back line. Who's next?
Papa.
What's your name? What's name of your mother? Come. You can make it fall.
Remember this. 778
Si Tisha.
Hurry up, you're not going to eat candy.
We could make it.
Papa.
Tanya.
78133.
You can.
I go turn the light again.
Amy. With Fafa, line behind Tisha.
No, I'm behind.
Maybe I must go here. Okay, come. 5 times, huh? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
778.
Okay, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1330.
It's open.
You go, Sarah. Shama, you go.
Tutorial, see.
Okay.
What's his name? Wait for your turn, huh?
Which one is Oku?
Oku Princess. Do it for your dance actress, huh?
You know it?
Yes, he's my cousin. You don't see we look the same? 5 times Oku. Okay, a bit here. Go. 1,
2, 3, 4,
try.
Good ba?
Nice try. You almost
Yeah,
hit
let me
something. Tanya.
Wait, what is it?
You're also a second starter.
Hey, Mom, let's go to
Don't look away, just look inside. You will make it slanted.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Is that a shape of a heart?
Hey.
It is.
How come I don't hear you guys count anymore? You gotta count louder, okay?
Okay, I'll count. Not that loud. Of course.
Are you listening? Rihanna. Wait. Okay, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finish. Let me hit it.
Hit it hard, like you're gonna hit who?
A monster.
Yes. Like you gotta hit Barney.
Crack.
Oh no, not Barney. Barney our friend.
Tanya, kwenta line. Kwenta line.
party.
What's your name first? Jonathan. Who's your mom?
Charlie.
Julie. Wow. Okay, you gotta hit that so we can get candy, huh?
Move. Get it the line.
Tanya, move up with the sheep.
Stop it. Kwenta line.
Hit it.
Oh, 1, 3, 4, 5. Finish. One more. Almost. The thing cracked. So cool. It's cool. Kyle, in the line. Madison, get out.
Strong like hands.
Go, Madison.
Huh? Without your hand.
Without your hand. Hey.
Hey, man. It is hard, huh? Like you gonna slap the old man.
Slap Ashton.
Okay, come with me. This is the Pinata.
Hit the hopper. Hit fire.
1, 2, 3. Oh!
1. Leave it down.
2, 3.
4.
One more.
Hit it.
One more.
Oh, finish.
5 more.
Finish.
You could like
Tisha again.
pusa na kamus.
Go,
hit it. Go, You Tanya?
Yeah, Tanya never. Go.
Tanya. Ready? Come, let's go. Okay, those of you ready? Finish.
Her nose.
Come, Rihanna. You after Tanya, eh? Come, Nana. Come. See, look.
Where's the light?
Hey,
The line over there. Wait, it's gonna fall. Make it in because it's gonna fall.
give up.
It's heavy.
Come here, Rihanna. Come. You will hit for Rihanna.
What if your fat stick
Hey.
She's only 2.
She's not 2 years old.
She's 0
Yes, she
years
is
old.
2 years old.
is 2-0. Okay, everybody move.
Everybody move out. This is one.
It's all. What are you doing?
Nana, come on.
Nana, come. Nana, come.
Okay. Move out. One.
Spinner.
No!
Spinner around.